Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
Best Ninja Blender.
Starting at number 5.
Ninja CI101 Foodi. The Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System is a newer product and, by default, the best immersion blender from Ninja since it's the only one they make. Still, it's worth mentioning because it takes the top spot on our list of the best immersion blenders we've tested. It's very well built and makes a smoother blend with fibrous ingredients than most hand blenders we've tested, so it's a good choice for fruit smoothies, pureed soups, and sauces with ingredients like kale and broccoli. You can use it to blend directly in a pot or pan, so you don't need to worry about transferring hot ingredients into a blending jar. It comes with a 24-ounce beaker for blending drinks or smaller batches of sauce or dip. The beaker is also useful for making whipped cream or salad dressing with the whisk attachment. Aside from its good blending performance, it stands out because it converts into a hand mixer to help with making batter. Switching between the two configurations is easy, and all the blender's components are dishwasher safe. However, the size and shape of the blade guard make it difficult for the blades to reach the ice cubes or bigger chunks of frozen fruit. It's heavy for a hand blender, so blending a big pot of soup can get tiring.
Coming at number 4.
Ninja SS101 Foodi. If you don't need a large capacity jar, you might prefer the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo, which offers solid multi-purpose performance in a small package. It's arguably the best Ninja blender for smoothies since it quickly blends silky smoothies in its 24 ounces jars, even if your recipe is packed with ice cubes or fibrous ingredients like leafy greens. There are resealable lids included for each of the personal jars, so you don't need to transfer your smoothie into a separate travel cup. This blender also comes with a smoothie bowl maker jar, which has rotating arms inside, making it very easy to use for small batches of nut butter, hummus, and other thicker dips and spreads. Unlike many personal blenders, it has buttons for automatic blending programs, so you don't need to watch the machine while your smoothie blends. Its components are dishwasher safe, and its compact design makes it easy to store on your counter or a shelf. However, despite its small size, it's the loudest blender recommended here.
At number 3.
Ninja BL610 Professional. If you're looking for a budget-friendly blender, you might prefer the Ninja Professional Blender 1000. It's a straightforward blender compared to the Mega Kitchen system, but it's well built and performs well. It only comes with basic accessories, a 72-ounce main jar, blade stack, and lid with a spout for pouring. While it can't blend hot ingredients, it's just as good as any Ninja blender we've tested for ice crushing, so it can quickly and easily make snow-like crushed ice for cocktails or drinks like slushies. It can also produce fantastic, smooth nut butter, although it's not the easiest process, partly because you need to remove the lid to stir thicker mixtures. Although it doesn't come with personal jars, it does a good job of processing small batches of fibrous ingredients like kale, meaning it can produce a well-blended single-serve smoothie. Unfortunately, it doesn't perform as well with bigger batches. If you fill the jar to capacity for multiple servings of fruit smoothies, you end up with a grainy blend. It's quiet for a blender, and its jars, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe. Like the previous pick, it's not easy to clean by hand because you must be careful not to cut yourself on the sharp blades.
Number 2 of my list.
Ninja BL770 Mega. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is the best mid-range Ninja blender we've tested. This blender can't hot blend like the previous pick, but it's an excellent option for frozen drinks and smoothies. It comes with a 72-ounce main jar, a 64-ounce food processor and blade, and a pair of 16 ounces personal jars for single serves. The personal jars work very well for smoothies since they can completely liquefy fibrous ingredients like fruit and leafy greens. The main jar produces a grainier blend with fibrous ingredients but can still make a great smoothie with something like blueberries or kale, and it easily crushes big batches of ice cubes. The food processor bowl comes with its own chopping blade and dough blade, so you can use it to form dough or for food prep jobs like slicing vegetables. The blender is well built but louder than the previous pick. It's also more difficult to clean by hand because of its blade design. The main blade assembly is a very sharp column of blades, and you have to handle it very carefully to avoid cutting yourself.
And number 1.
Ninja HB150C/HB152. The best Ninja blender we've tested is the Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender. Unlike many Ninja blenders, it's a full-size blender that only comes with a single jar, so it's best suited for people looking for a conventional blender rather than one with extra jars and accessories. That said, it's one of the few Ninja full-size blenders that can hot blend, and its main jar even has a heating element built into it, meaning it can heat and cook ingredients. The jar is made of glass, which is less prone to scratches and discoloration than plastic. There are various blending programs like sauté and smooth soup, as well as manual blend and cook modes, making it a good choice if you like to multitask while your blender runs. Despite only coming with one jar, it's fantastic for processing small batches of fibrous ingredients in recipes like single-serve smoothies and bigger batches for soup or sauce. It has no problem crushing ice and is fairly easy to use for dips and spreads like nut butter. Unlike most Ninja blenders, it has a 2-part lid and tamper, which makes it easier to adjust your recipe as it blends, so it's a good option for dedicated home cooks. Also, instead of a very sharp blade stack, it has more conventional blades that are easy to clean by hand. However, it's not the easiest blender to clean since the heating element means you can't immerse it in water or put it in the dishwasher.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.